Hi kids, it's Sue, out in the woods. We've had a crazy 24 hours. It snowed last night, the third week in April here. And even just now, walking over here to the creek, I walked through a hailstorm and now the sun is back out. So I have something very special to show you today, something that I love so much, and that is my friend, the fungi. Here we go. Walking along this beautiful mossy trail by the creek. Really nice clean water. There's so much to show you here today and we'll get to that, but I want you to see if you notice anything that jumps out at you. Look at that. Have you ever seen such brilliant red cup fungi? Probably 20 years ago that I saw my very first one. And this year, I've had 3 reports of them from 3 different people locally. So it must be a great year for the Scarlet Cup Fungus. Here, let's take a much closer look. Can we count them? 1, there's a little one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the most I've ever seen in one place. And the way these fungi reproduce is they make their spores on the surface of that bright red inner cup. And the cells that make the spores are standing straight up in a row like fingers all squished together. We call these asci. And they make ascospores for this little fungus that's an Ascomycete. I'm going to try a little experiment and see. It may not work because we've had so much moisture, but the way the ascospores release is with increased relative humidity. And so I'm going to blow my warm breath on one of the cups and we'll see if it releases a spore load. Let's try. Oh, I saw it. A little white puff of spores was released. Let's try this other one right here. Nope, I think we only caught that one. I'm not sure the camera caught it. I saw it though. Anyway, they're beautiful, beautiful little fungi that grow in amongst the dead twigs and leaves. Usually you can find them sometimes just right on a twig. So if we dig down underneath here, now these are growing on sort of buried wood. And can you see the underside is a little paler color, more like an orange color. There's another sister species to the Scarlet Cup that looks like someone dropped orange peels right on the ground. It's just like this cup fungus, but it's bright, bright orange, and I'm sure we'll find some later on. They tend to fruit in the fall. This one is definitely found in the spring. Hope you like the Scarlet Cup. It's one of nature's very small wonders. Bye-bye.